Good morning, students. Today's task is to identify details in an interview. We are going to do 7.3. Now discuss the questions about the presents. Poklon. Yeah? Have you ever given or received a present like the ones in the photo? What is the best or worst present you have ever received? Okay, perfume, timer in a recording studio, a purse, a tablet, a bunch of flowers, a game console, a friendship bracelet and face cream. So, what is the best or worst present? Let's now proceed to exercise number 2. Listen to a radio interview about buying presents. Now, which present from the photos are suggested for which person? Okay.
CD3. Track 19.
Hello and welcome to Ask the Expert. The topic of today's programme is buying presents, and our expert is psychologist Amy Black. Thanks for joining us this afternoon, Amy.
You're welcome. I'm pleased to be here.
Amy, can you tell us what sort of person is good at choosing presents?
Well, it's true that some people are really good at buying presents and some people are really bad. But I don't think it's a question of personality. I think anybody can buy a good present, but they have to do some research. They have to think about the type of person the present is for. What are their hobbies and interests? Do they have a favorite shop, a favorite brand, a favorite color? The best presents are chosen after a lot of thinking.
Do you think women are better than men at buying presents?
Well, I suppose women like shopping more than men, and this means they don't mind spending hours in shopping centers or online. But as I said, anybody can buy a good present.
OK, let's read our first question. This was sent by Isabel, 17 years old, from Bristol. She says, "My mum is going to be 40, and I want to get her something special to cheer her up." What do you think, Amy?
Well, Isabel, it's great that you want to get your mom something special. If you want to cheer her up, toiletries are always a good idea, but be careful. Your mom doesn't want to feel old, so don't buy face cream for the older woman. You could try perfume, but first look in the bathroom and find out which perfume she wears.
OK, our next question is from Alexander, 18 years old, from Bournemouth. He says, "It's my girlfriend's birthday next week. We haven't been going out together for very long, just 2 weeks. Should I get her a present?"
Hi, Alexander. I think it's fine to get your girlfriend a present if you want to, but don't spend too much money. Get her something personal but cheap, like a purse or a friendship bracelet. Don't buy expensive jewelry. Maybe next birthday if you're still together.
Time for one more. This one's from Charlotte, 16 years old, from London. She says, "One of my classmates is having her 16th birthday soon, and I want to get her something nice, but I can't afford to spend much."
Well, Charlotte, why don't you collect money from a group of friends and buy something really good from all of you? It doesn't have to be an object. I think it's a really nice idea to buy an experience for your friend. For example, if she's musical, you could pay for a few hours in a recording studio.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Amy. Before we finish, do you have any more tips?
Well, the most important thing to remember is that it isn't the value of the present that matters. It's the amount of time you spend thinking about the person. That's the key.
Good advice, Amy. That's all we have time for today.
Okay, children, these are the answers. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise. Number number 3 and 4. Now let's read the statements in exercise 4. Match the underlined phrases with these phrases from the interview. Okay, let's listen and then check if the statements from 1 to 5 fit them in here, and these statements if they are true or false. Listen.
CD 3. Track 19.
Hello and welcome to Ask the Expert. The topic of today's programme is buying presents, and our expert is psychologist Amy Black. Thanks for joining us this afternoon, Amy.
You're welcome. I'm pleased to be here.
Amy, can you tell us what sort of person is good at choosing presents?
Well, it's true that
Okay, this is actually the same listening as you have before. Now let's replay the previous listening and do the exercises. Now I will show you the exercises. So, Amy thinks the ability to choose good presents is a matter of responsibility. 2. Amy thinks both men and women are capable of buying good presents. That's true. The first one is false, of course. 3. Isabel thinks her mother is upset about being 40, so she wants to make her feel happier. True. Charlotte wants to buy a nice expensive gift for one of her school friends. It's false. And 5. Amy says that a successful present doesn't have to cost a lot of money. True. Okay. Let us proceed to exercise number 5. Complete the advice with the verbs in the box. Which piece of advice is not given in the interview? B. Collect, do, don't spend, keep, and spend. So, you should be able first to do it on your own, and then I will provide you with the answers. Okay, when you have finished, I'm going to tell you. Do some research. Spend time thinking about the person. Be careful when buying women's toiletries. Don't spend lots of money. It isn't necessary. 5. Keep the receipt so you can take the present back. And 6. Collect money from the friends to buy something really good. Okay, number 6. Ask a friend. Talk about the last time you bought a present for somebody. Think about these questions. Okay, who is it for? What was the occasion? What did you buy? Why did you buy it? Where did you buy it? And how much did it cost? Okay? So you can write like a small homework thinking about yourself, when was the last time you and answer these questions. Now let's do some pronunciation exercise. Okay. Listen and identify the silent letter. What does it mean, silent letter? The letter which is not produced or heard. Okay? Listen.
CD 3. Track 20. 1.
Receipt. Psychology.
2.
Right. Wrong.
3.
Debt. Doubt.
4.
Island. Aisle.
5.
No. Knife.
6.
Listen. Castle.
Okay, thank you. That's it for today. Be good, be healthy, and stay at home.